Say it again on camera.
My car is soundproof.
Honey, your car is not
It's
soundproof.
been soundproof.
Let me try.
I'm telling you.
You want me to start now?
I can't hear you. Oh my. Oh my. Anything.
Could you not?
No.
What are you laughing for?
Because you could hear everything.
Are you joking? Is that why people are scared?
I didn't hear you. What the freak? That's
Okay,
crazy.
let's switch now. Did you hear me?
No.
Stop spending all my money on chickens and dogs!
Did you scream? Try it again. Try to scream actually this time. Actually scream. Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh, I can't hear you. No.
I didn't hear you.
Really?
No, I didn't.
Oh my god, okay, it's your turn. Wait, Caleb, I heard you.
You heard me?
Yeah. Maybe, you know what? I think it's the passenger seat that's soundproof.
Okay, let me try.
Get on this side.